Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. This is a TS Tech Talks video. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate your Facebook highlight on your Facebook application. Okay, on my previous video which I talk about the Facebook highlight, I actually showed you guys how to create it, but it turns out that most people are not able to make use of this Facebook highlight. Alright, the reason is because um they probably have not used it before, or they probably have not had the settings done after the update. Now Facebook actually did this for some reason which I don't know yet, and I think this actually solved it for some people after I got several questions saying they can't make use of the highlights, and actually addressed like 4 different people, and this worked out for them. So I believe this is also going to work out for you if you're watching this video, and if not, just leave it your comment below. Let me see if I can address that also, and you can just chat me on my Facebook application. So and then before I start this video guys, I would really like to appreciate you guys who actually subscribe to my channel, because right now I'm currently celebrating 3000k subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys for your help. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, you will miss out. All right, so to do this, to activate your Facebook highlight on your Facebook application, first of all, open your Facebook application. Let's go ahead and do that. So once you have your Facebook application open, next let me show you guys my own highlights so that you see what it looks like. When I scroll down to my account, after the friends area, you should be able to see stories highlight. Now, before you be able to make use of this, first of all, you should have been posting stories on your Facebook already. So once you're making posts on your Facebook already, you'll be able to create your Facebook highlight. So now, in order to do this, all you need to do is to click on the menu icon, not click on the menu icon, and then scroll down to settings, click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Next, you need to scroll down to where it says why is it being, so go ahead and scroll down to where it says stories. Yeah, there you go. So go ahead and click on story settings. Next, once you've done that, scroll to where it says stories highlight. You can notice it shows below. Just go ahead and click on it, and then on default it says public. It says who can see your stories highlight. Your stories highlight can be seen on your profile by the audience you choose here, blah 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 blah. Now on default it says public. Now just ignore that it says public. Go ahead and click on friends only. The reason is because since you haven't made use of your highlight, Facebook assumes you don't need the stories highlights. So if you don't actually tick these settings and alter these settings, it just assumes you doesn't need this highlight settings. So after clicking on the friends, just go ahead and back out, click OK, back out, back out, and then go to your profile area once more. Scroll down a little to where it says more. Just after the edit profile area, go ahead and click on that. So we are going to notice stories archive. And also, if you don't have your settings to save the stories on, to save stories archive, it's actually going to affect this particular video. So you should go and watch my video where I showed how to save your stories on archive. So go ahead and click on stories archive. Now you're going to see all the archived story I have on my device. So next, all you need to do is to click on this option right here. Now you can notice where it says create highlight. This is exactly what you're going to see on your device, and if you don't see it, that means this didn't work for you. So if you don't see it, just go ahead and chat me up. And apart from this particular area, I see on my top of the screen, you might be seeing your own on the bottom. Just know that you are going to click on this particular option that shows here. But if it shows settings, that means it's really not active on your device. So just let me know if you're having a different option than mine. So it's either going to show on top right hand corner or below. So once you see create highlight, that's it for you. Go ahead and click on create highlight, and then select what you want as your highlight. So you can just go ahead and select multiple images, and let's scroll down a little. So select multiple images and click done. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and add any highlight. If you don't know how to create Facebook highlights, I'm going to link a video below for you guys to know how to do that. But this video is just all about activating your Facebook highlights. So once you follow this step, you already activated it and it should be working for you and you should be able to create my highlight. So you guys should just make sure you follow this process properly the way I just did. And if you're having issue doing that, just let me know. So once you're done, go ahead and click on save and it's going to save your highlight for you. So that's how to create your Facebook highlight. And when you scroll to your stories highlight, you can notice it displays below right here. So that's it. So you guys should really leave a comment below if you're having challenges with this. And apart from this, there is no other way to go about this. It's pretty simple, easy, or whatever you call it. But just for you not to, just for some reason you might not know how to do this, and Facebook didn't leave a video on how to do it. So guys, I hope this video has assist you guys in activating your Facebook stories highlight. So if it did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. And if not, leave your comment below and ask your question and I'll respond to that easily. All right guys, see you guys soon. Peace.